Hello, welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel if you've been here before, if you've subscribed and have seen our videos before. Today we are in the very pretty little village of Nizas, which is spelled N-I-Z-A-S, which is literally a stone's throw from the historic town of Pézenas, and we are having a look at a very unusual village house. The main reason I think this is unusual is because it's detached. Which I didn't actually realise straight away, but it is a detached house, which is very unusual indeed. So it's a 2-bedroom house, bags of character, really nice condition, lovely 18 square metre roof terrace up there, which we'll have a look at. And yeah, it's a completely detached property. So you've got windows on one side here, on the other side with the terrace. Such a nice village. So much character in this village. And then you've got one window on the side. Lovely old original stone wall, very straight and true. There is a storage cellar, small cellar underneath the house, which is great for storing bins and things like that just in there. This little gate signifies the boundary with the neighbouring property, but just to show you, that's the back. And there you can see it is a detached property. So the overall measurement in terms of living space of this house is 83 square meters. Now, officially, in terms of habitable space, it's 75, and I'll explain the reason for that when we get upstairs. But let's go in and have a look. Front door takes us straight into an entrance hall. A couple of the bulbs are missing here, so not ideal, but you've got a small little sort of light well giving a bit of light from the terrace above. But it's quite nice to have an entrance hall, because often with these older village properties, the front door leads straight into a living space, so that's quite a nice bonus to have. The property's been nicely modernised. You've got some nice tiles down here. And then straight through to a shower room with a bit of a noisy fan. Where here we've got wash basin, nice big walk-in shower with a window for natural ventilation. Nice big shower. And a toilet next to that. Heated towel rail. It's in really nice condition. And you've got a bit of a hallway. Next room on the left is a utility room, or a sort of a little sort of project room. But great space. There's a sink, there's plumbing for a washing machine, there's another window, so again, natural ventilation and light. And then the next room we come to is one of the 2 double bedrooms. Both bedrooms are generously sized. Got some lovely original floor tiles here. Really nice. It's a dual aspect room. It's got air conditioning. It's got a fabulous original stone feature wall. Double glazing. Decent energy rating for the house. It's a D rating, which is exactly what you should expect for an older house. If it was a C, it would be very, very unusual. If it would be an E, that would be not surprising, but it isn't. It's a D. So you've got your air conditioning unit up there. Really nice generous double bedroom. And from here we can make our way up to the first floor. So you've got one bedroom, one shower room on the ground floor, and another one at the top with a living space in the middle, which is quite a nice layout. So straight up into your living room. So you've got a sort of combined living room kitchen. A continuation of the featured stone wall from downstairs. Double glazing again. Air conditioning. Space for a dining table. And then you've got this sort of open plan kitchen space, which makes this room a triple aspect room. So you've got one window there onto the terrace, a door onto the terrace, a window, all double glazed, and then of course another window over there. So you're going to be able to get a current of air, which is rather nice. So we'll have a quick look at the terrace, even though I think that the sun has just gone behind some clouds. Terrace is about 18 square meters and is a lovely space. For this size of house, at this price point, this is literally as good as you're going to get. It's a very usable terrace. You're open to one side, so you've got a neighbouring garden down there. That's the upper bedroom. Yeah, really, really great space. Nice village, Nizas. You've got a very pretty little central square, I suppose you'd call it, with a fountain, with a little bar that does some food. You've got a general store, but really the big selling point, yes, it's lovely, it's pretty, but the big selling point is it is so close to Pézenas. It's about a 7-minute drive to Pézenas, which is great. So that's the local town where you'll go for all your restaurants and shops and nightlife and all sorts of things. Quite a nice little feature here. I like the double split doors. When I was an estate agent in London a million years ago, there was a property developer who used to split old doors like this in some Victorian properties, and I think it's really nice. I've always liked that. So those doors signify the start of the next bedroom suite, I guess. Good condition stairs. You've got the original tiles, the wooden front bits here, what the French call the nez de marche, sort of noses of the steps have been replaced at some point, so they're in lovely condition, but the tiles are all original, which is good. Really nice sized room, loads of character, space for a big wardrobe here. A dual aspect room, so you've got a small window there, plus a normal size window. You can just see a bit of a view of the countryside. Now at the beginning of the video, I referenced 75 square meters habitable and 83 square meters total living space. So when we've measured the house, we're coming out at 83 square meters. Officially in France, anything below 1.80 meters is not considered habitable space, which means if we look at this room with the sloping ceiling, you get to about here, and this part here is not counted as habitable. That's why you've got a difference between 83 square meters being the total space and 83, and 75 being the habitable space. Great room, air conditioning again. And then you've got pretty much a facsimile of the shower room below. So you've got a toilet, big walk-in shower unit, and then a rather funky copper, I guess, sink. And that's it. It's a fantastic house. So 2 bedrooms, 2 shower rooms, 2 toilets, one at the top, one on the ground floor, living space in the middle, 18 square meter roof terrace. Really, really nice village, lovely condition, ready to go. If you look in the description below the video, there will be a link to the full property advert on our website, where you'll be able to see individual room sizes, a description, a map, etc., etc. If you I'll try and put a pop-up banner on the screen that you can click on, which will take you straight to the web page. And please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed the tour. It's a great house. I'm very excited to have this listed for sale, and I think it should generate a lot of interest. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.